Such a big campus, such big classrooms, beautiful temple, flowering plants and trees. So many amenities you have in this school, and you have very good teachers and guiding Matajis. So are you proud of this school? Okay. And are you proud of your parents? Yes. They are looking after you well. Before coming here, बेटा दूध पी के जा, नहीं तो भूख लगता है, बोलती है ना माँ, बोली थी कुछ खा के जा. So you are proud of your parents. They look after you so well. Are you proud of your country? Why? Our country is so great. So many beautiful rivers are there. So many beautiful monuments are there. So many beautiful personalities are there. So we are all proud of our country. What is our country? India. Okay. Our India has produced so many great personalities. So to be worthy of our India, Mother India, to be worthy of our school, and to be worthy of your parents, what do you have to do? How many of you want to become great? Very good. All of you know your father's name, don't you? Mother's name. Okay. How many of you know your grandfather's name? Very good. Many of you know. Okay. How many of you know your grandfather's father's name? You know really? Grandfather's father's name, I can't believe. Very good. Okay. How many of you know your grandfather's grandfather's name? Can you really tell me? Please tell one or two who have raised your hands. What is your grandfather's father's name?
Grandfather's father's name is Mahadevram Naran, and grandfather's name is Ramaji Naran.
Very good. Okay. We remember great persons even after many decades or centuries, isn't it? Okay. How have they become great? Did God make them great? How have they become great? कैसे बने थे उतने ग्रेट का महान कैसे बने थे? अपने आप? हाँ. They made themselves great. Did they have any extra time? How many hours do we have in a day? 24 hours. Do they have any extra time? Extra schooling? Or any extra coaching or anything? Or any siddhis? Siddhi, do you understand some miraculous powers? No. Then how did they become great? They had what all we have. Same 24 hours, same parents, same loving parents, same school. But they have become great by themselves. And there is a secret. Do you want to know that secret? How they have become great? ए छोटे बच्चों, तुम भी बोलना, उत्तर देने का है. तुम जानने चाहते हो कैसे महान बने थे? सीक्रेट बोल दो. सीक्रेट तो पब्लिक में नहीं बोलने का है ना. फिर भी ये पब्लिक सीक्रेट है, समझे? ये बहुत पब्लिक सीक्रेट है, इसलिए मैं बोल देती हूँ. बोलो. They gave importance to 4 Qs. How many Qs? 4 Qs. Shall I say? What are they? PQ. Repeat. Repeat after me. Say. Bolo. PQ. IQ. EQ. SQ. Repeat again. PQ. IQ. EQ. SQ. Actually, all of us have to give importance to these 4 Qs. They gave more importance. And PQ. What is PQ? Do you know? Physical quotient. That is physical well-being. That your body must be fit. For that, what you have to do? You have to take good. What? Say. बॉडी अच्छा रहना तो क्या करना है? अच्छा खाना खाना है. फिर क्या करना है? एक्सरसाइज करना है, खेलना है. We eat healthy food and we play well. We do exercise well and keep our body fit. Okay. Then what is the second Q? Very good. You remember very well. Then all of you have much IQ. First one is physical quotient. Okay, that is bodily strength. The second one is intelligent quotient. What is it? Intelligent quotient. IQ. IQ differs from person to person. How can intelligent quotient be developed? Can do any one of you want to answer? Yes, please tell. Pardon? Okay. By revising whatever you have to study. Very good. By putting your mind in the studies. For all that, Swami Vivekananda gave another secret. What is that? Secret for developing IQ. Swami Vivekananda gave one secret. Okay. Take up an idea and have that idea in mind and work for it. What your sister, 12th class sister just now has told. Concentration. What is that? A girl may need only half an hour to complete her work and another girl may need 5 hours. What is the difference? Concentration. अभी माता जी बोले है ना नहीं वो 12th क्लास की लड़की बोली है ना तो इधर देखते उधर देखते तो नहीं होता अटेंशन पे करना है सो by paying attention and concentration and regularly revising what your sister has mentioned, regularly revising your studies and attending the school regularly, you develop your IQ. Then what is the next Q? EQ. What is EQ? Emotional quotient. Emotions समझते हैं बड़े बच्चों? बोलो थोड़ा emotions बोलो. Pardon? Happy. Okay. Happiness, sadness, still anger, hatred. होता है ना? कभी कभी खुशी रहते हैं ना? कभी कभी क्या होता है? गुस्सा आ जाता है. फिर क्या होता है? किसी को मारने का इच्छा होता है ना? होता है? ऐसे डिफरेंट इमोशंस आते हैं. हम क्या करते हैं? इमोशंस आए तो सबको क्या करते हैं? रिलीज़ कर देते हैं. वे जो महान हुए थे वह वैसे रिलीज़ नहीं करें. गुस्सा आया तो वे सोचते हैं मैं क्यों गुस्सा करूँगा, गुस्सा करने से मेरा स्ट्रेंथ कम हो जाता है ना, इसलिए मैं गुस्सा नहीं करूँगा. किसी का ऊपर द्वेष हेट्रेड आए तो वे समझते हैं सबके बीच तो कौन है? भगवान है, इसलिए मैं हेट्रेड करना नहीं चाहिए. ऐसा वे फिर इमोशनल क्वेश्चन, फिर सबके साथ रहना, मिलजुल कर रहना. लाइक RKSM फैमिली, जस्ट नो मैम हैज सेड, like one family we stay, not fight or hate each other but love each other. What is the last one? SQ. What is SQ? Can any of you guess? Spiritual quotient. You will think what is this spiritual quotient? We don't know. Even some of the teachers may think what is the necessity of spiritual quotient for children? Do you think? What is spiritual quotient? For children to say plainly every day, do you pray to God? Yes. Then why do we pray to God? परीक्षा में अच्छे मार्क पाने के लिए. फिर okay, every day we pray to God. When we pray to God, what happens? Or we sit for a few minutes in meditation, what happens? Our mind remains calm. You get more concentration power, isn't it? And God is full of good qualities, virtues. Ananta Kalyana Guna Sampannaha, God is called. And Nikhila Heya Guna Varjitaha means He is devoid of, He has no negative qualities at all, He has all positive qualities. When we think of God, what happens? We also imbibe some of the positive qualities. Okay? So SQ is necessary or not? Okay. Why SQ is necessary? One more thing I will tell you. Do you believe that God is in every one of us? Yes. Okay. How can you say? Suppose I will give you an example. Say some two girls fought with each other. Only two of them are in the classroom. Okay. Then when teacher came, both of them started complaining to the teacher. Lata or Rita, let us say. Lata says, Rita has bet me first. I didn't do anything. And Rita says, Lata has bet me. I have not done anything. Then who is correct? Only two persons are there. Who is correct? Both are? Then who will tell the correct thing? Who will tell the correct thing? There must be someone else. Who, just now you said God is in all of us. Isn't it? That means that God is watching all of you. That third person has arranged a CCTV in your mind, inside of you. Can you believe? You have CCTV in your school? There is a CCTV inside you. Can you believe? Can you guess what it is? You must be able to guess. And guess, no problem. Guessing is important. Heart. Heart is for feelings, okay? Because her heart is very good, her heart itself is enough. There is something very special, God's great gift to us. Pardon? A soul is there always. It's God's gift to us in everyday's life. Actually, I want all to think only. If it is a small class, I won't tell the answer. I make them think in different ways. But now I should not waste your time. Do anyone of you want to guess? Just one chance. Just now Mataji gave hint. This gift given by God to us. कॉन्शियंस, अंतरात्मा, समझते हो ना? तो तुम कुछ भूल किए तो अंतरात्मा बोलती नहीं है. तो दो लता रीता they fought among each other. Then teacher asked, both of them started telling, it's not my mistake. Doesn't their antaratma tell them you are telling wrong? Then if teacher asks more, the good of the two will say, sorry madam, I only bet her first. Isn't it? Why? The conscience inside tells us, no, you are doing wrong. How many of you have that experience? Please tell me. Something from inside you. Actually, you are thinking it is part of your mind, and she thought it is heart because good. It is. She is thinking she is having good feelings in heart. She is thinking. Okay, tell.
First, when I broke iron of my house, and I tell my mother I didn't broke, but after some time I realized that it was my fault and I should tell my mother.
Very good. Give claps. Do you feel happy for accepting, or do you feel guilty? I mean, bad. Do you think?
For my mistake that I had.
Very good. You felt guilty of the mistake and happy at accepting, isn't it? Very good. So do you understand, children, what is the gift of God to us? What is the CCTV inside us? Conscience. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? अंतरात्मा. छोटे बच्चों से लेकर सबके बीच भीतर अंतरात्मा है, और सबके भीतर से वो आवाज़ देती है. क्या आवाज़ देती है? It encourages when you do something good. Suppose you listen to that conscience and behave according to that, what happens? You will become what? Great yourself. That is the secret behind the great persons. What was the secret? वे अंतरात्मा के आवाज़ सुनते थे. सुनकर क्या करते थे? अपने आप को ठीक कर लेते. ऐसे ही वे महान बने. कुछ सीक्रेट नहीं है. हमके भीतर भी अंतरात्मा है ना. ग्रेट स्वामी सेज, suppose you listen to your conscience and behave according to that, take its suggestion, it gives suggestion, please don't do like this, it's not correct. Then if you listen to that suggestion, that antaratma will become very powerful in you. Then you will become good. Suppose you don't listen to the words of the conscience, what happens? It slowly fades away. As you grow, don't you see very wicked people in the society? Very cruel people in the society? You have not come across, no? You are small children. Is there all good in the society? Why? Because they have not listened to the words of the Antaratma or conscience. If we listen to the words of the Antaratma, we become great. So I don't want to waste your time. Let me stop here. But don't forget this. What are the 4 Qs? What is PQ? Eat well, play well, exercise well, keep your body fit. What is IQ? Intelligence. Try to concentrate on the subject. Pay attention. You will get IQ. What is EQ? Good emotions. Encourage positive emotions and discourage negative emotions. You will get EQ. Be friendly with all. What is SQ? Spiritual quotient. Praying to God and listening to the words of what? कॉन्शियंस और अंतरात्मा. अंतरात्मा बोलते हैं ना हिंदी में. अंतरात्मा की आवाज़ सुनना. ठीक है, धन्यवाद.